MSME sector in India is right now going through the general problem which the whole economy is facing in terms of lack of credit. The banks are more or less not lending money out there, and because of the stress in the economy. And secondly, there's another interesting issue which is coming in. The MSMEs are themselves not coming and asking for credit. So there is a slowdown on credit also, the demand part of it. So it's a two-pronged problem right now, which is happening in the country right now. So look, we are Faircent. We are a peer-to-peer lending company. In our case, we are not dependent on the traditional channels of funding. Okay, so we have an alternate supply of lenders out there, basically people, individual lenders who are lending money. In fact, we have seen a bigger uptake during this crisis right now, wherein individual lenders are coming in and lending money to the micro SMEs and SMEs on the Faircent platform. So yeah, P2P is filling the gap right now, in my opinion, and we hope to keep on doing that. I'll give you an example. We are right now doing more than 120 crores a month of loans. We do 30,000 loans a month. And so we've done more than 600 crores. So, and 90% of our business goes to micro SMEs. So, peer-to-peer itself is unique in the sense the platform it's not dependent on the traditional channels of lending, that is the banks, NBFC and all. So, from that point of view, we are a marketplace. We don't lend from our books. We enable other lenders to lend money to other borrowers. So I think it's the whole business model itself is very unique. And right now it's being demonstrated that we are unlocking the money which is lying in people's FDs, mutual funds and all that into channelizing that towards micro SMEs. Look, government cannot drive the private economy. They can only supplement it or kickstart it and all that. So they are making the effort. I think that they're doing a very good job in trying to ease the credit supply. But at the end of the day, both demand and supply from the private sector has to start moving. So let's see. I think things are 6 months to 9 months away for getting back on track. Look, we have grown nearly 50x since last year in terms of loan originations and everything. Right now, as I said, we're doing nearly 120 crores a month kind of loans. We've done more than 600 crores of loans. And the way we see it in the next quarter or so, we are going to keep on the growth. In my mind, in next 1 year, we'll be 10x of what number we are doing. So we would be not 10x, maybe 7 to 8x. We're targeting around 700 to 800 crores a month in the next 12 months. So right now, we are on a run rate of nearly 1,200 crores. We plan to take it to around 3,000 to 4,000 crores on an annualized basis.